Here with Big Sky Mafia. We got this 6-liter here and we're ripping her down. I had a turbo that ended up acting up. The vanes were getting stuck, so we ended up ordering a new turbo. It's a 6366 5-blade turbo. We also ended up ordering the left lane diesel 1-piece up pipes, a bulletproof water pump, Mishimoto low temp thermostat, 7.3 fan clutch, and a new block heater and cable. So right before winter, we decided that this thing was not loud enough. We ended up going with the MDRP dual 4-inch exhaust. We did end up putting a 4 to 5 turnout elbow on both sides, 3.5-inch downpipe, and it does sound great. All right, guys, again, we've talked about these water pumps. This is your best bet when replacing your water pump. You're gonna want these billet fins. If the plastic ones break in there, it's just gonna cause you more trouble. So we just got the 7.3 fan clutch conversion in there. We're putting everything back together. We're gonna get the charge pipes in, get the air intake in, fill her with coolant, and give her her startup. Go for it. So we've got everything together. We just added coolant. We're about to start it up and see how everything went. All right, guys, so we got everything we wanted to get done to the 6-liter today. If you liked what you saw today, hit that like button, subscribe, and see you next time.